This is August the 9th, 84. It's regular session number 1070 with RBF. This is the third session with RBF.
I feel I've reached focus 10.
All right, excellent there. You want to go continue straight ahead then from here again to 12, or do you feel like you should stay there for a moment and experience 10?
No, I'd like to go on to 12.
All right, let's go then on into a deeper state, an expanded state of consciousness in area 12, and check back with me.
Okay. Feel I've reached focus 12.
All right, excellent. Is there anything that you would like to do there yourself, or would you want me to give you suggestions? Is there anything you'd like to do?
A moment ago I got 2 knocks, and I sensed the presence of Alice. I was told that the ringing in my ears has texture to it that I can manipulate. And so I took the ringing and made it into a ring, which I've been passing up and down around my body. Ringing is no longer in my ears.
All right. Is the presence of Alice there with you now?
Yes.
Do we want to ask her anything, or do you want to go beyond Alice and search for someone else? Your options, you know.
I feel complete with Alice. I got the one message about the ringing from her. Do you have any questions?
No, I just think that what we want you to do is to focus now simply on where you are and what perception modes, thought forms, whatever, are coming to you. You might look up and down and around, just be aware in a state of awareness, and let me know what your perceptions are as they are occurring to you to the extent you can.
And a dividing line. To my left is very serene darkness that I can float in. To my right, there's a dim light. It seems to be radiating from a point. The point seems very far away, but at the same time, I feel I can reach there if I want to.
All right, would you like to move toward the point of light?
Yes. The point doesn't appear to be a source of light as such. It's more as if it were a warp in the light.
Yeah, well, does it seem to have a spatial aspect in relationship to you that would enable you to bring yourself closer to it?
Yes, I'm coming closer now.
Very good.
I can see behind me the dividing of the light area to the dark area is moving farther away. It looks as though it's a very, very crisp line that I can see through into the darkness. I look forward. I'm going to get closer. I have a sensation of being very heavy.
Is that an unpleasant sensation?
No. It feels as though it would take a tremendous effort to move any part of my physical body.
Well, fortunately, that's not necessary at this point.
I can see above me and below me I'm at the point, and my right foot and leg seem to pass through. It's a sharp tingling sensation as it passes through.
Okay, is that past now?
My left foot is passed through now. From my waist up, it's still outside. I feel as though I've been separated. Legs from upper torso. And my right arm is passing through.
Well, that sounds interesting. Just let happen what's happening.
As parts of my body pass through, they are no longer heavy. But my shoulders and head feel very heavy, still outside. I've passed through completely. The ringing is very loud, it's back in my ears. It's very pleasant here. I don't sense Alice anymore. It seems as though I left her behind back in the darker area. Yeah, it's interesting. As soon as I said that, I got 2 loud knocks.
That's as I understand it, the indication of the correctness of your understanding, right?
I guess so. Sensation that feelings that I would normally associate with my right hand seem to be coming from my left side of the body, and vice versa. Like when you try and do something in a mirror.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I understand that.
The space around me seems to be divided into several areas. The areas touching my body expand and contract, irregular patterns.
No, this is the area immediately adjacent to you.
Yes, it is affecting how I perceive my skin. It's as if, again, the idea I get is a mirror with a lot of distortion in it, like circus mirrors. If I get an image of my legs, they seem alternately elongated and misshapen and very short and misshapen. Patterns are rolling through my body. I just got a strong image of a time when I was very young, about 3.5 or 4 years old. I had a very high fever. The images I got then were very similar to what I feel now.
Mm-hmm. Are you in touch with the content of them?
I get a very clear image of my old room when I was young. Especially the closet doors, which are a wood pattern. The patterns are moving. Sometimes I look at the closet doors and they expand into 20 or 30 foot high. Sometimes they contract and seem very small, as if I shouldn't really be able to fit in the room. A great deal of motion. I can affect some of the sensations with the ringing. If I form the ringing sounds into a ring that I pass over my body, it acts like a magnet. The distortion becomes much more acute around the edges. Parts of my body farther away from the ring smooth out. The sensation of walls. The walls are like aluminum foil, very smooth. And then when you take it and crinkle it up in your hands, it becomes so wrinkled that the wrinkles can't be removed. The space around me feels like that.
Do you feel like you would like to move on into a 15 focus?
Yes, I feel like I'd like to be silent for a few minutes and absorb.
Alrighty.
I just got a sensation of the upper torso of my body being supported. My legs are sticking out over the edge of something as if I'm holding them up. That's a strange sensation.
It sounds as if you may well be seeking to release yourself from the body, or maybe in the process of doing that.
See if I can relax into the state a little deeper. Boundary coming. Oh, boundary starts an area with color. Areas of color moving. It's approaching fast.
Okay, keep me posted.
I pass through the colors without disturbing them. It's different from the last patterns, which definitely ended where my body began. And perceiving my legs, it's as if they're only an outline and the color passes through without any hesitation. Colors predominantly blues, different shades.
Does the color tell you anything?
There's no sensation of up or down or left or right. All melts into one moving pattern. Have sounds. They make sounds. They have sounds. I don't stay in any particular shape very long. All the sounds, all the shapes seem to make a particular sound. All the shapes next to each other have sounds which complement each other. So as I pass through, it sounds like music chords, the sounds blending into one. It's beautiful.
Okay, now just stay with them. I'm going to phase in and phase out a sound, but I'm not changing any frequencies at all. It'll be the same thing. Okay, this is the same signal, same differential.
As the tones changed, I got a sensation of up and down. I seem to be in a position where my feet are elevated higher than my head.
that the change in the sound pattern was necessitated because our tape ran out, and I switched you over to the binaural beat machine at the same bass level and the same hertz differential.
Colors are still here.
Do you get the sensation, the impression in any form at all that there's a message for you in this place with the colors and the shapes with sounds?
I'll ask. I don't understand the answer. I got that I'm at this place because I asked for it.
And doesn't it seem to you as if you did?
Yes, but there's something more. I understand now. But I don't think I can express it to you.
Alright, but you see, what you're wanting is a place where you can obtain information that is not available to you in other places. And we're asking to test this place with those kinds of questions. Is this a place where this can happen, or is this a place that can take you from there toward the information sources that would be available to you?
A number of answers here. There's a gap between myself and Lindy.
seems like an important place, important bridge.
My specific question is answered now. Of finding a source which can be channeled through my physical body to Lindy's physical body. It has to do with healing.
Okay, is this something that you have discussed with Lindy, or that you are being informed you need to discuss with her or would like to?
It's already discussed.
But this is information that is being given to you in connection with the place where you are now.
Yes.
It would be like new information to you.
Yes.
Or confirming information.
Both.
But is this a place that you can return to? Can you get an answer to that question with clues for yourself about how to return here if you want to?
I got an immediate answer. The path was marked.
I didn't quite understand that last couple of words. Immediate answer to what?
To the question of how to return.
Mm-hmm.
That explains the different shapes and textures I encountered on my way here.
Okay.
And I'm being told that as I return, I will pass back through those same places.
Okay, well, we'll take your bearings there very carefully and bring yourself back through those places now. The ending time of our session is upon us, and you can bring yourself back. You can count yourself back through the way that you came, through 15 and 12 and 10, and return into your normal state of C1. And begin counting yourself back now. And I'll check with you in a moment.